pretty hard to do that when it's raining.
Hey
I
man, it's
know.
Dave. You got the stuff. Nobody. No Cheech and Chong fans here.
I missed it. What did you say?
I said, hey man, it's Dave. You got the stuff.
It's Dave. It's Dave.
Dave's
Yes. Yes, I
Dave's
remember.
not here, man.
Holy shit.
There's only a couple bites.
We should name the drug trader Dave.
Dave's not here.
Oh, that's what the special trader is.
Alright,
Dave.
what's going on?
So we just shot a bear and wolves, and they're all freaking despawning, and we can't get to them because we don't have the toxic shit.
I have $31,300 for you.
It's raining really hard here.
Yes, it is, and I'm soaking wet.
31,000? Wow.
31,300. That's just your half.
Chinese food for dinner.
We had $60,000 and all that.
Vec boy.
I'll see you guys later.
I see a fire.
Who the fuck
Oh
is
shit!
Vec boy?
Ah, I just fell in the water.
Ah!
I
It
fell
is
off the...
raining like absolutely bonkers right now.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, crap, I just fell off the ramp.
I don't see Trump on here.
I'm gonna have one for you.
Ah, crap, I'll be right back.
Are you alright, Mr. No,
I
don't
want
even know
more
where-
of those potato skins.
Oh yeah. Porkies?
Yeah, bacon and
They're
cheese
fucking
and oh
good as
my
shit,
god,
ain't
I
they?
know.
Oh man. They are good.
So good.
Well, I didn't know your wife was listening to Swedish music first
Oh
off.
yeah. Yeah. Ever since I met her, man, it's been like fucking
11 years?
when I meet her
12
ass,
years?
It's been 12 years.
Yeah. I knew you guys were longer than Scotty and I, but I thought it was maybe 3 or 4, so I underguessed.
Not, yeah, it's not that long, really. I don't think.
We got together in 2011. I thought it was more than 2 years, though. I thought.
No, about 2 years.
Look at Pumpkin.
Oh
Mittens, is it
You're
still
here.
there? Did it despawn?
Oh my fucking
Still
list.
there.
I'm gonna go back to my
Look at the houses this weekend.
Oh,
Oh,
you
all
got
right,
checked?
here.
Yeah.
Ah,
All right, this and this, and go tell me. Make sure that's 31,300.
That's good enough. You undercut me about 40,000, but it's alright.
No, there should be. What? I was gonna say then there should be some, because I only put half of it in my. You ass.
We're almost at 100,000, Ace.
We
Oh,
are-
I still have stuff on me. Hang on.
Because Becca was watching.
What happened? What did she do?
Oh fuck! I sold all my good steaks by accident.
Bored.
What's up?
Where's all our
Yeah,
weapons?
pickle.
We still got a bunch of weapons to sell too, don't we?
Nah, not really.
Oh,
Not really. Here I gotta
Fine.
give you.
Yeah, fuck, it's raining cats and dogs.
yeah, it is.
Ah,
Here I gotta give you something. Here's 2,000.
What? Why?
Cause I had some extra stuff.
Oh
this
yeah,
stuff.
earlier.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go back to my base, get normal gear on. Are we? Did you guys loot the prison island yet, or?
problem, man.
Dot pickle.
What?
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 What? All right. So what are you guys doing, Ivan and Mittens?
We're over at Prison Island. We just shot a bear and a bunch of wolves, and they keep freaking despawning.
All the vehicles are out of here. Did you guys
So,
take,
do
like,
you guys have
long
toxic gear? And do you have gear for us, or you
No.
guys by yourself?
Yes. Yes.
So, should we drive down there?
We
Yes, you
didn't
should.
take every vehicle.
Oh my God, where's Mittens? I am totally lost now.
All right, let's go down
Right
and.
here.
I just ran the wrong
There's
way.
only 6 cars at the tower.
Yeah, we
Usually
took a few of them.
There are usually 10 of them over there.
Yeah.
Mittens, are you still at the same spot we were at?
Oh, wait.
Yeah?
Oh my God, what did I do? I went the wrong way.
4, 5,
Yeah, you need to go
6.
No, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Okay,
that
so,
way.
so 3 are missing. Alright.
Have to wait for Ace.
You guys are all. Oh, fuck.
Oh shit, Mittens, there's a tent over here.
Yeah?
The military tent.
Yeah, we've been there before.
Right, but why aren't we going to this since we're just sitting around?
We've been there before.
Are you coming
Not
through
today.
the field?
Not today, but yes, we've been there.
Right. Okay. Oh my word. Oh, I totally. Look where I am, Mittens. I don't know what I just did.
Ace, where are you going? I can't hear you, by the way.
Yep, I just realized there's a hunting shack that has weed seeds in it a lot.
Oh.
It doesn't. It had rifled slugs, but
So, did you guys drive the car in or no? You can't, right?
oh gosh, you're on the other side.
Yeah, because I drove through the field. It's a really quick shortcut right here.
Mittens, there's no way that stuff is still over there.
I want to make sure you can follow me and get down there quick.
Holy shit, I'm going.
Where the hell are you?
I mean, if you can survive that, sure.
Mike,
Oh
can I
my
survive it?
I mean,
I'm
you
flying.
you have a,
Try this
you
again.
have a,
Doing all the good stuff. Yeah, I got the filter.
you have space for the bear pulp.
Yes. I'm gonna need you to keep a few things though.
Well, build what you
Not
need.
good.
Are you okay?
I mean, I was kind of glitching, but I think I might. Nope, I'm flying in the air.
Mittens, could you come grab this stuff from me?
Oh!
Oh, hold on.
For fuck's sake, what's going on?
Oh no.
It's not Jesse.
I'm not doing okay, guys.
You're
What's
not?
going on there?
No, did you see my thing? I'm under
Nope.
the map.
What thing?
Mittens, what are you doing?
Woo.
Shooting him.
Go get that
I'm
thing.
coming, Tim. Real slowly.
Hold on. Take my
Mhm.
backpack with you.
Mittens, okay, I'm leaving a bunch of stuff here. Can you grab all this,
I
this
was just
stuff?
under the map a
Hold
second
on.
ago.
I don't want to take any of this stuff
I'm not
with me.
driving. It's not even on.
Hold on. I'm getting. I'm clearing
Yep,
out my stuff.
I'm just dropping all this shit so I have room to bring stuff back with me.
On my screen, you're not even moving. Are you okay, or?
It's I'm through the map. I'll show you as soon as I'm done.
Alright, here you go. Here's my backpack.
Oh shit, I hear another bear.
No, oh,
You're
it
not.
won't let me.
You stop! With, oh my.
Wait,
You
Mittens,
should
can you
jump
grab
out
this
and
stuff
back,
or
dude.
not?
No, I
Hurry.
can't.
Tim,
Take the
help me.
backpack.
Oh, what did you die?
No.
Alright, you can't,
How
you
did
gotta
you
take my key. You gotta take my key. At the very
gonna
least,
take the key.
take my key and
I'm
take the
bleeding,
good
Tim.
stuff.
I'll
Okay?
take it to the key. Don't worry. Don't
Alright.
worry.
Yeah. Oh, come on.
Can I get up?
There you go.
Nice.
I took your key.
Well, let me bandage myself. Oh, you got it. Whew.
Look at
Alright,
Ace's
I'm
health.
going, Mittens.
Go in.
I don't know. Hold on.